Hello students, today we will go through one more problem of again the same conversion from a given problem. We should convert it to a dual solution. So for this conversion you have three types of problem. One is the simple one. They give a question and you have to follow the simple steps, which will be the problem is direct. The second type is when the constraints are given in the equal to form. For example, if you consider an objective function, any objective function, for that the constraints will be either less than or equal to or greater than equal to, but here the constraints will be in the form equal to. So that time what we have to do? Okay, that is second type. And the third type is sometimes the variables, that is x1, x2, x3, some variables will be restricted, and that time what we have to do? These are conversions which usually asked in the examinations. So today we will go through what we have to do if the constraint has a equal to sign. Okay, briefly I will just go through the steps in order to convert a given form into a primal and to a dual form. So firstly you have to change the objective function to maximization. In order to convert a given problem into primal, you have to convert the objective. If it is a minimization, then you have to convert it into a maximization. Then if the constraint has inequality, then you have to change it by multiplying -1. And thirdly, now if you have a equal to sign, what you have to do? So you have to replace it by two constraints involving both greater than equal to and less than equal to. So we will just go through an example. So here you can see you have an example, that is x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 4. So what I have told you, right, replace it with the both equality constraints, that is one is less than equal to. So the first equation will be x1 plus 2x2 is less than or equal to 4. As what I have told you, you have to change the objective function to maximization. And for any if the objective function is maximization, to be in a canonical form, all the constraints should be less than or equal to. So if you consider this one, that is x1 plus 2x2 is less than equal to 4, then this condition holds good to be in a canonical form. But what happens if you use a greater than or equal to sign? So if you write x1 plus 2x2 is greater than equal to 4, it is correct, but it is not in the canonical form. So what you have to do? So you cannot keep this equation as it is. The first equation is fine because it has less than equal to, so it holds good. So no need to change that equation. But the second equation goes wrong. Okay, so you have to convert that that equation by multiplying -1. So after that you get minus x1 minus 2x2 4. So now the two equations are x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 4, and the second equation is minus x1 minus 2x2 less than equal to 4. So if you have equality constraint, then you have to follow this method.